This Century 21 Cornelis-Simpson Incorporated property video is presented by William Cornelis. Huge 66 by 400 lot has been recently subdivided. See listing agent for tax and lot information. Newer replacement windows, walk-up attic, drain tiles basement, energy-efficient furnace. Due to the recent subdividing of this parcel from the duplex to the north, the real estate taxes on the property have not yet been determined by the county. For more information, review the details below or contact William Cornelis at 309-764-7413.